Hello again, everyone. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how, since this is about visualizing data also, how you can take a Google Sheet or spreadsheet and make charts or insert charts. So basically having Google Spreadsheets sort of make some visualizations for you. I've often had students, as you'll see in the next module, make some of these charts from their data and then use those charts in infographics. So charts are kind of like miniature infographics. So this is the same example spreadsheet that I used on the Fusion Tables tutorial video, which I did a little earlier. In this case, I've got a really simple bunch of data here. I have students who have taken the basic agricultural ingredients of an Italian soup and actually figured out how much they cost at the grocery store and then kind of added up the cost down at the bottom. Each of these is, I should say all of the data is actually very easy to make a chart out of. So let me just show you how that works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually select the parts of the sheet that are most useful to make a chart out of. I'm going to do that by clicking on Most Basic Agricultural Ingredients. I'm going to go and hover over the other corner that I'd like to select. I'm going to hold Shift and click. And as you can see, I've selected that particular data right there with just one simple click. Now, because it's selected, Google Spreadsheets knows that's what I want to make a chart out of. So I'm going to go up to Insert. I'm going to scroll down to Chart, and a new interface pops up. Google guesses at what kind of chart that it thinks I would like, and I can actually sort of click through here and actually see different possibilities for the data that I've selected. So in this case, you can see that it's actually just making a bar chart showing me the cost of each one of these particular items. In this particular one, not necessarily a bar chart, but a line chart. I find that the most useful one up here, especially when thinking about going into an infographic, would probably be the pie chart because it's visual. You can sort of see it, the information you need right away. You can make comparisons right away. So the basic idea is that that pie is the total cost of actually making the soup, and it's showing what percentage of the total cost is taken up by each one of the ingredients. So if I did like that one, I'm not completely happy with the way it looks, but I do like the concept of the pie chart. I can actually go up here and click, oh, I'm sorry, I can also go through other chart types, which might be a possibility based on your data, but I can also go to customization and change a couple things about this. If I were, for example, to actually put this into an infographic, I may think that I need larger text, different colors, different font, different background. In particular, it might make more sense to viewers not to use percentages because percentages are inherently kind of already shown by the size of the piece of the pie. So I can actually go up here and change it to value. And in that case, I can actually see the dollars and cents, which actually might make a bit more sense to people looking at it. If I choose label, that's kind of being a little redundant because I already have it color-coded. Or I could just totally leave it blank, like that. So notice that when you make a chart in Google Charts, you can change all sorts of different things about those charts. Also, once the chart is created, it pops right into the spreadsheet where it can actually be moved around. And in fact, you can sort of export it too. Okay, so you can actually delete the chart, save the image of the chart, publish it, etc. So it is possible for me to take this and actually make it a part of an infographic. Infographics, as we'll learn in the next module, tend to have lots of little chunks or blocks in them. And this would make a great block if I was actually making an infographic about what it is like to make pasta e fagioli.